Hello students, in this video I am going to explain about Microsoft Access. I will explain you how to create the database using MS Access, how to create the table within the database, how to insert the data for those table and how to set the primary key. So let us start with how to open MS Access. For that here I will type MS Access. Now it's opening. Now you click on blank database. Now here you choose the drive where you want to create a database. Now give a name, suppose student. I am giving the name as student. Then click on OK. Now click on create. Now it is showing SCCDB. SCCDB is the extension of Access database. Now click on create. Okay. So now the database has been created for me. Once it has been created, what I will do, I want to create some tables within the database. For that, what I have to do is I have to go to view, then go to design view. In design view, we will create the field and data type. Okay, so here I am giving the name as student info. Then click on OK. This field, if I don't want, I can delete it. Delete rows. This is the way you can insert the rows. If you want to click, if you want one more row, you can click on insert rows. If you don't want a row, you click on delete rows. So I am clicking on delete row. Then yes. Now here I am taking the roll number as one field. Here data type I will take text. Why I am taking the text? In 2019 you have both short text and long text, but if you are using 2007 you will get the text data type. So short text means it will accept up to 255 characters. Next thing is why I am taking data type as text, because text allows both characters and numbers. So in case of roll number, our roll number may be R1001. So R is a character and 101 is a number. So if I want to enter both, I have to take the data type as a text. Here I am taking short text. Now I am taking student name. Another field as student name. That also I took short text. Now I want suppose address. Address also I will take text. Okay. Because it also can be a number like 2 by 1a. So 2 is a number, 1 is a number, but a is a character. So in that case, we have to go for the text data type. Now save it. Once it is saved, go to datasheet view to enter the data. Now I am entering the data as 101, student name suppose, address suppose, okay. Now I am going for 102. I am taking here another name. Here I am suppose taking address. Now here I am entering on one more data. You can enter the full address also. Now after doing this, what I have to do? We have to save it. Okay, we have to save it. Suppose I don't want this record. So what I will do? I will click here, right click, delete. Okay, so click on yes. Okay, now after this, I want to set the primary key. What is the use of primary key? If we are making a field as primary, it means it will not accept any duplicate value for that field. Okay, here I am entering roll number 1, roll number 101, 102. In the roll number field, I have taken 101, 102. See, it is a unique one. This roll number cannot be duplicated. But if I will not set any constraint, if another person will come and will enter 101 also, you can see here 101, it is accepting. Because I have not set any constraint for this. But my roll number should be unique one. So for that, what I have to do? I have to set the primary key for that. So for this, what I will do is I will go to here. I am changing so that you can see what is the use of primary key and what is the if we are not using primary key, what happens. So for that, I am taking now 103. So once you see without primary key, if I am entering 101 also, it is accepting. There is no problem. It is going to next row. Now let us set the primary key. Here I am changing the num value and I am going to design view. Here I am setting the roll number as the primary key. For that, what I will do? Simply you right click, go to primary key. Now roll number has been primary key. Save, go to datasheet view. Now you enter here 101 and see what happens. What it is showing? The changes you are requested to table are not successful because they would create duplicate values. Okay, because the field for which we are setting the primary key, it will not accept any duplicate value. But here 101 was there. When I entered 101 for another time, it means I am entering a duplicate value. So it will not accept. But when I am changing this value, you can see it will accept. Now you click here, go to the next field. Okay, so this is the use of primary key. Whenever we are using primary key for a particular field, that field will not accept any duplicate value. Because you see, in these three fields, we cannot take student name as the primary key because student's name can be same. Similarly, address also I cannot, the address field also I cannot take as primary key because here you see many people can come from the white field. I cannot stop them from coming to school if they belong to white field. So what will be the unique one? How I will identify a student? So for that we need the roll number, like your PAN card number, like your Aadhaar card number is unique for the student, it's roll number. So that is why I am setting the primary key field for the roll number. So this is all about your lesson number 3. Thank you.